Hey everyone, today I'm diving into one of the hottest topics in digital marketing, SEO. If you're looking to skyrocket your rankings, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with some top tips to boost your SEO game. First up, keyword research. Before you create any content, you need to know what your audience is searching for. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even Google's Keyword Planner. These will help you find the right keywords that have high search volume but low competition. Trust me, nailing your keywords is half the battle won. Next, optimize your on-page SEO. This includes your meta titles, descriptions, headers, and even your URL structure. Make sure your primary keyword is in your title and sprinkled throughout your content. But remember, avoid keyword stuffing. It's a big no-no. Now let's talk about content. High-quality content is non-negotiable. Google loves content that's informative, engaging, and valuable to readers. Aim for longer articles, at least 1,000 words, as they tend to rank better. And don't forget about multimedia images, videos, and infographics can make your content more appealing. Another crucial tip is to improve your website's loading speed. A slow site can hurt your rankings and drive visitors away. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to check your site's performance and make necessary adjustments. Compress images, use a content delivery network, CDN, and consider upgrading your hosting plan if needed. Also, mobile optimization is key. With more people browsing on their phones, having a mobile-friendly site is essential. Use responsive design and ensure your site functions well on all devices. Google's mobile-first indexing means your mobile site is prioritized over the desktop version. Next, build high-quality backlinks. Links from reputable sites signal to Google that your content is credible and worth ranking. Focus on guest blogging, creating shareable content, and reaching out to industry influencers for backlinks. Lastly, don't forget about user experience, UX. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate site keeps visitors engaged and reduces bounce rates. Pay attention to layout, font size, and overall design to create a seamless experience for your users. So there you have it. Those are my top SEO tips to help you climb the rankings. Implement these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your website's performance soar. Thanks for tuning in and happy optimizing.